Alright, boys and girls, we are in MyMath, second grade, page 49, and the directions say, draw a blue box around number 9. So I'm going to grab my blue and draw a blue box around number 9. Count back 3 and circle that number red. So I'm going to get my red, we're going to count back 3. 1, 2, 3. Circle that number in red. Draw a green box around the number 19. So 19, and draw a green box. Count back 2 and circle that number yellow. So 1, 2. We're going to circle the number yellow. Circle. Draw a purple box around 14. Draw a purple box around 14. It's a dark purple. Count back 1 and circle that number orange. Very good. So try to do that. See if yours looks like mine. Find 10 minus 3 and use a number line. Count back to subtract. The answer is the difference. So when you're working on a math problem, the answer to a math problem with subtraction, the answer is called the difference. 10 minus 3 equals 7. Start at 10, count back 1, 2, 3, and the answer is 7. So the difference is 7. So we're going to trace that. Now let's use the number line to solve these problems here. Count back to subtract. Use the number line. 7 minus 3. So we're going to start with the 7, circle that, and we're going to go back 3. 1, 2, 3. So this number is the answer, and that number is 4. 9 minus 2. Start with the 9, go back 2. 1, 2, and the answer is 7. The difference is 7. You get a pin so you can see this better. This one is 4, and this one is 7. 8 minus 2, start at the 8, go back 2, 1, 2, 6. So the answer is 6. 8 minus 1, 8 minus 1, 8, go back 1, and the answer is 7. 10 minus 2, we're going to start at the 10 and go back 1, 2. The answer is 8. And this one here, it has the difference on the first part, but it's okay. An equation, you can put either one on whichever side. 7 minus 1, so start at the 7, go back 6. So 6 is equal to 7 minus 1. The count back strategy helps on the number line because you can find a spot and then just go back from there, and whichever number you land on, that's going to be the answer. On page 51, count back to subtract, use the number line. I want you to do these all on your own, and I will do these with you. 12 minus 3, 12, 1, 2, 3, land on the number 9, so the answer here is 9. 11 minus 3, we're going to start at 11, go 1, 2, 3, we land on the number 8, so the answer is 8. 11 minus 2, start at 11, go back 1, 2, the answer is 9. Okay. All right, down here, I'd like for you to work on 16, 19, 17, and 20 on your own, and I'll do 14 and 15 and 18 with you. Number 14, 5 minus 3. Start at the 5 and go back 3. 1, 2, 3. The answer is 2. 10 minus 1. Start at the 10 and go back 1, and the answer is 9. 4 minus 3. Start at the 4, go 1, 2, 3, and we land at the number 1. And your last problem is 5 minus 2. So we have 5, and I'm going to go 1, 2, and the answer is 3. On page 52. Problem solving. Tanya has 12 bucks. She gives away 3. Well, she gives 3 away, sorry. how many books does she have now? So she has 12. So we're going to start here at the 12. And we're going to go back 3. 1, 2, 3. So it would be 11, 10, 9. So she has 9 books because she gives away. When you give away, that means you're subtracting. So we found the difference. The difference is 9. Hank washes 9 windows at the pet store. He washes 2 in the morning. How many windows does he wash in the afternoon? So if he has 9 windows, we could always draw a picture here of these 9 windows. And he washes 2, so 1, 2. How many does he need to wash in the afternoon? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So he still has 7 windows to wash in the afternoon. The animal shelter had 8 birds. 3 of the birds were adopted. How many were left at the animal shelter? So if a bird was adopted, that means someone took it from the shelter, they took it home, and made it part of their family. So they had 8 birds. So we could draw our birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 birds. And 3 were adopted, so these 3 got to go to a new home. So they're not there anymore. How many are at the shelter? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 birds are left. At the bottom, explain how counting back can help you subtract. So explain in your own words how counting back helps you. It helps me keep track of my place. When I'm counting back on that number line, I know exactly where to go.